Alright guys, Maz White here, and I welcome you back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you top ways to make money online in 2023, from affiliate marketing to social media marketing to content marketing and a whole lot more. Alright, I got your back covered. All you have to do is stick with me till the end of this video, and then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now so that you don't miss out on the valuable informations that I'm going to be sharing on this channel, all right, over time. So let's jump in straight to the video of the day. All right guys, welcome to my screen. So let's look at some of the top ways that you can put that extra cash in your pockets in 2023. All right, so what I'm about to teach you right now is what I do. All right, though I may not do all, but I do most of what I'm about to teach you, and I make money online. All right, so let's look at some of the top ways. The first way is to do what we call e-commerce. All right, now e-commerce is simply you setting up what we call an online store, and on your online store you're going to be selling products and services that you're passionate about. In other words, you're going to have to do research to find products or services that you are in love with or that you're passionate about, because success in anything has to do with you doing what you actually love to do. All right, and the revenue potential for e-commerce is quite high presently. All right, according to statistics, it stands at about $67,000 monthly and about $127,000 per annum, and people are making this money doing e-commerce. All right, so you find a product that you are in love with, that you're passionate with, or service that you're in love with or that you're passionate with, and use e-commerce online stores. All right, set up an online store and begin to promote them. All right, and watch yourself make money on the internet. Now the question is, how can I do it when I don't know how to go about it? I want to show you something. All right, now in today's world it's practically easy to do anything unless you don't want to do it. The courses are there, the ebooks are there, the videos are there. You can either leverage YouTube to learn how to do it, or you can go online and buy courses to learn how to do it. Now this particular website is called Udemy. All right, now on Udemy you have courses covering every area of career, whatever thing that you want to do in today's world. You can actually come here, buy courses and learn how to do that thing. So for example, if I want to learn how to do e-commerce, I can come here, type in e-commerce, all right, and simply look for the best courses here, or one of the best courses here, buy it and go and learn how to do e-commerce. And the amazing thing is that most of these courses are very, very cheap. They are very, very cheap. Some of them are not even up to $10. All right, they are very, very cheap. And then if you're in Africa or you're in Nigeria, you're going to find them in your own currency, which doesn't really amount to anything. So one of the top way for you to make money is to do e-commerce. All right, do e-commerce. Go to Udemy or any other online teaching platform, buy a course and learn how to set up your online store. All right, and make money doing e-commerce. Now let's look at the second way to make money online. Okay, so the second way to make money online is to join an affiliate marketing program. And do you know the amazing thing? It is that every other business that is done on the internet today has an affiliate program, from phones to gadgets to business builders, softwares, name it out there. There are affiliate programs. So you simply go to the website of the product that you want to promote, and down the website you're going to see an affiliate program. Even the Udemy that I just showed you right now has an affiliate program. You can promote courses on Udemy also. All right, so join an affiliate program, or you join affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, and a whole lot more. All right, and it is on record. All right, or newbies make up to $1,000 here monthly, while advanced affiliate marketers make up to $100,000 every month. So it's a huge door. It's a huge door that anybody can actually go through to make money online. Now the question might be, how do I learn? How do I get to know how to do affiliate marketing and do it with result? Again, you can go down to this to Udemy, look for a course on affiliate marketing. For example, if I type in affiliate marketing, all right, if I type in affiliate marketing, I'm going to find several courses on affiliate marketing that I can buy for a cheap price or for a peanut and go and learn how to do affiliate marketing. Look, for example, look at this one now. It says affiliate marketing master course, ClickBank and Pinterest. All right, so you have several loads of courses here that you can go buy and learn how to do affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's look at the third way to make money online. Okay, so the next way to make money online is to start email marketing, right? In today's world, if you look at it very well, you're going to discover that everybody today has an email. All right, and I tell you, people are making money doing business through email. Now, how do you start email marketing? You're simply going to be promoting products and services using your mailing list. Okay, using your mailing list. Okay, so you're going to learn how to do email marketing, and you can start very, very small. You can start very, very small, and before you know it, people are subscribing to your email for $10 up to $2,000. All right, so in starting email marketing, what you do is that you find something, a niche market or something that you know how to promote or you're passionate to promote. All right, and then you begin to build your email. You begin to build your mailing list, create your landing pages, begin to build your mailing list. Now, as your mailing list grow, you're going to have sponsorship. All right, and you're going to be promoting different types of products through your mailing list. Okay, so I know as I'm talking about it right now, you're actually going to be confused about doing it. All right, but there are courses out there that you can also leverage to learn how to do email marketing, and this doesn't really take much to do. Okay, for example, you can use your Facebook page or social media page and begin to promote a particular niche market, all right, a product, and leave link to your landing page, and by so doing, you're growing your email list. As people subscribe to your email list, you're growing your email list, and you can actually over time begin to promote other products through your mailing list. All right, you can also go to the website I showed you, Udemy, and find a course on email marketing. For example, if I type in email marketing, okay, see email marketing. All right, you discover right now that there are loads of courses here on email. The complete digital, for example, this one says the complete digital marketing course, email marketing copywriting and growing your email list. All right, so courses like this, you just come down here, look for courses that are doing very, very well, and get these courses and just go to learn how to do email marketing. Now, these are things that you can do at your free time. All right, as a side hustle, learn how to do these things and go make money on the internet. So let's look at the next way to make money online again. Okay, let's look at the next way. Another one is to start a blog. All right, so if you're good in writing, if you're passionate about writing, you can actually make money from blogging. All you need to do is get yourself a website, right, and promote, write blogs, get a niche, something you love to do. What do you want to talk about on your blog? Okay, and leave affiliate links on your blog, and each time somebody clicks on this affiliate link and go buy, you make money through your blogs. You can also equally monetize your blog, all right, with AdSense and a whole lot of them. All right, so I suggest again, if you don't know how to start your own blogging, you can also go to this particular website called Udemy and buy a course on blogging. Let me see if we can actually get a course on blogging. For example, let me look at blogging. Okay, let's look at if there is a course on blogging. But I believe there are courses on blogging masterclass, how to build a successful blog in 2023. You see, these are courses that you can take to learn how to actually blog and make money from blogging. Say blogging for beginners, start, grow, and monetize your blog. And actually these courses are very, very cheap to get. Okay, so that's another way for you to make money online if you're really, really serious about making money online. Let's look at another top way to make money online, okay, and see what we can do. So another one is to start a YouTube channel. The average YouTuber with a monetized channel earn up to $18 per 1,000 ad view and about $5 per 1,000 video views. All right, so this is an avenue for you to make money online. If you're actually ready, you're willing to make money online, you can start a YouTube channel like I'm doing right now. Like on my channel, I promote a lot of courses on my channel, and each time I sell those courses, I make money online. And actually those courses cost me nothing to do. Okay, so another top way for you to earn money online is to start a YouTube channel where you promote what you're passionate about, where you have your own message. You're in love with what you are doing, you're promoting what you are doing, and you have to be confident about it. And if you love to stand to face the camera, you can actually make money here doing YouTube. All right, now another way that you can make money online is to become an influencer. All right, now if you're the type that loves social media, you have a good followership on social media, your Facebook, your Instagram, you can make money on it depending on many factors, and you got to learn how to do that. All right, it's a huge market. You can become an influencer and promote a particular niche market and watch yourself make money, and over time you can get sponsorship, and it's very, very easy for you to do most of these things and make money. So if you have a good followership on the internet or on social media, you can monetize your followership. All right, and promote a particular thing and watch yourself make money online. And there are courses out there. I won't forget to mention that there are courses out there that you can take. Let's see if there is a course on influencer. Let me type on, let's look for influencer, a course on influencer on Udemy. Okay, let's say influencer. All right, influencer marketing. Okay, let's see influencer marketing. There is of course influencer marketing. Okay, influencer marketing, launch powerful campaign in 10 steps. Wow, these are awesome. This is awesome. I say influencer marketing. Now there is actually a course, and actually I didn't look at these things before. I didn't look at this before starting this video. All right, so you can pick up a course on influencer and learn how to do influencer marketing, and watch yourself just make that money online. All right, this is how most of us started. We invested in course. All right, and right now we are good to go. Very, very easy. Okay, so another way that you can make money online, let's look at the next way that you can make online. We're trying to explore avenues to look at ways that you can make money online. You can also publish an ebook, and there's a huge market for ebook right now because of the self-publishing thing. All right, you can publish ebook, look for topics that are actually making money right now, publish ebooks on different sites out there, and watch yourself make money. And the amazing thing is that in today's world, you don't need to actually be the one that writes this ebook. You can go to certain websites, all right, and upload an already made ebook. All you have to do is just create a cover to read using smart markup and all that, and recover that ebook or repackage that ebook and place it on certain websites, and watch yourself make money on the internet. Let's quickly see if there is a course on ebook marketing. Let's see that. let's say that, because ebook right now is a huge market. Okay, so let's look at that. Ebooks, I see ebook creation. All right, ebook creation, Amazon Kindle, Kindle ebook publishing. These are, for example, Amazon Kindle ebook publishing. Guys are making a hell of money from this particular website, selling their ebook. So let's see ebook creation, and people are actually searching for these things on these websites. Okay, so people are searching for how to make ebook, and other people are busy creating courses on how to do them. Okay, now ebook, how to create an ebook for free in Canva. Wow, this is a course, and this is doing very well, doing very well. Okay, and it's going for how much? Only 3,000 naira if you're in Nigeria, which is not up to $4 if you're outside the country. And then there are loads of other ebook creation tutorial, the art of successful publishing ebook, and all that. All right, so you self-publishing, Amazon Kindle. This is another course that you should this self-publishing Amazon Kindle expert. All right, as is one other course that I will recommend. If you want to do this, I recommend that you get a course like this to learn how to actually make money selling ebooks. Okay, so we keep looking at top ways how to make money online. All right, in 2023. Another thing is to create an online course. Now, if there's something that you know how to do very well, there's something you know how to do very well, you can actually create a course around it and watch yourself make income. All right, go publish your course, find out website where you can go publish your course, or put your course and market it to people. And I tell you, whatever skill you have, people are out there who are ready to pay money to learn from you. All right, so if you don't know how to create a course, also you can go to the same Udemy and find out how to create an online course. Let's see if there is any course on how to create an online course. Okay, let's see how to create how to create an online course. I believe there should be a course on this, how to create an awesome online course. I believe this is a masterclass on how to create a best-selling online course. Wow, build a 6-figure online business selling online courses. You see, in today's world, there's nothing that you want to learn that you can't actually learn. There is just there, unless you don't want to learn. So you can make money creating an online course. All right, and this is a huge market right now. You can actually do it. All right, so let's go down the line again and see what else can I do to make money online in 2023. All right, what else can I do? I believe that is all. All right, this is some of the things that you can actually do to make money online, and I've shown you platforms where you can go buy courses and learn how to do these things. Okay, these are quite easy to do. Publish an ebook, become an influencer, start a YouTube channel, start blogging, start email marketing, join affiliate program, e-commerce, and all that. All right, please don't forget to leave me a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. All right, help my channel to actually grow. So some of these things are things that you can do in 2023 and watch yourself make extra income. All right, so go and try them out. And of course, I've shown you platforms where you can go, a platform Udemy where you can go buy a course and actually learn how to do most of these things. They are not difficult like what I do on the internet today to make money. I bought several courses, series of courses to learn how to do them, and you can go ahead and buy courses and learn how to do promote your skill, promote what you love to do, passion. Okay, so thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. See you in my next video, and God bless you.